Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewithsocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make your personal TikTok sound. Just follow these steps and you'll learn how to do it. First of all, you will need to record a new video with your sound. This needs to be in MP4 format, so you need a video with a sound and not just a sound in MP3 format. After you're done recording your video, open up TikTok app on your mobile phone and log into your TikTok account. Upload your video to TikTok by clicking on this icon at the bottom. Tap on Next. You will need to post this video, so click on Post button. Open up your uploaded video and click on Sound icon at the bottom right of your screen. Click on Use the Sound button, and you'll be able to use the sound. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to make your personal TikTok sound. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewithsocial.com.